Okay, we're talking about magazines. We're going to talk about a way to fill the magazines quickly. Now I have the Beta Company 10-round speed loader, which is much more efficient than the speed loader that comes in your bandolier. That's kind of an emergency device, if you will. You can very efficiently fill your magazines very quickly when you're in a fight, and I think that's a requirement. It works with all these magazines right here, but it works, as you'll see, very well with our preferred magazine. Okay, Marines, you're in a covered position. You've just emptied your magazines. Now you need to fill them again very quickly. You've ripped apart your bandolier. There's 120 rounds. Here's your speed loader I was just talking about. Here's your 4 magazines. Time. Let's put a cap on volumes 1 through 3. I'm going to collimate, I'm going to zero, and I'm going to group. Then I'm going to put the suppressor on and fire without re-zeroing relative to the unsuppressed zero, so we can see the zero shift, if any. Then I'm going to group with the suppressor on. So this is going to answer about 10 really good questions that you provided for me. So let's get busy. Okay, we've just shown you where the rifle is zeroed unsuppressed and how it groups. We're now going to show you how it shoots suppressed relative to that. Okay, here are the results. I fired 4 groups suppressed without adjusting the scope from my unsuppressed zero. This is where it matters. This rifle produced 1, 2, 3, 4 groups, and as you can see, the other groups were right here, unsuppressed, no scope change. So yes, there is a difference firing unsuppressed versus suppressed, and it depends on the weapon to what degree that difference is. But on the H&K 416, 14.5 inch upper, with that suppressor, it completely changed the impact. Now, if you also notice, it's shot much tighter than unsuppressed. That is a phenomenal group using M855 ball. I mean, you can't ask for better than that. So that's about an 1.5 inch group at 100 meters, M855 ball with a suppressor on. Today's question comes from Marine Barracks 8th and I. Does the new pack frame not snap? So let's talk about pack frames. Here's the old pack frame. It snaps right here. In fact, that's not good. So let's see if the new pack frame can survive today's activities. We're going to put this thing through a torture test, and we'll see if the new pack frame gets it done.
Gunner, you know what they say, nothing's marine proof. Let's do it.
All right, Mark Corps Syscom, I'm impressed. Your pack's winning, but now you're on my video and subject to my rules. All right, Marines and sailors, I'm impressed. The pack won. You can still wear this thing. After all that, it is still usable. In fact, if you look right here, you can notice the Kalashnikov rounds went right through the pack, and it's still holding up its structure. So, Marine Corps Systems Command, good job. Question, does the pack frame work now? Answer, yes, it does. So we're gonna go ahead, and Sergeant Major is gonna help me finish off this video. It is Gunner's Fact or Fiction, so we're gonna go ahead and express our gratitude to this pack for its service. Semper Fi.